Hello guys, so I'll be making a okra soup for my family today. So the ingredients I'll be using are those things over here. That's the ugu leaf there, pumpkin leaf, and that is obono, the grinded one there in the blue plate. Is called obono, is an ingredient that helps the soup to draw. Then over there is okra and some onions, chopped onions, and a special ingredient, Igbo ingredients that helps to give the soup a sweet flavor. Then we have pepper mixed with crayfish, then black fish the other side, and roasted fresh fish. Then we have goat meat. Yeah, these are the things we'll be needing for this soup. For those of you that are not Nigerians, you can try out this special soup. It's very yummy and very nutritious for your health. You can try them out, guys. Thank you. If you want to start cooking this soup or making this soup, you start by adding little quantity of water to the pot. Then you cook the meat, the fish, and all the protein that you'll be needing. You prepare them at this point. Okay, so I'll be adding the meat, then we'll cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. The meat, add everything into the pot, stir it. So this is salt and Maggi. Okay, you add it, stir very well, then you cover it and allow it to cook till it's soft and tender. Then you can proceed with the next step. So we cover it, leave it for a few minutes, then we'll come back and add the remaining things. So guys, this is it. Take a look at how it looks. Okay, so at this point the meat is soft and the fish is soft as well. So we can now go ahead and add our palm oil. So this is palm oil. You add it. So after adding the palm oil, you cover it just for maybe 1 or 2 seconds, then you come back. So let's check it. Yeah, I think everything is boiling already. So at this point we add the ogbono, the one that helps us to draw, because at this point, take a look, see, it's not drying, just watery. Okay, so you add your ogbono, cover it and allow it to cook properly. So this is our ogbono. I won't be adding everything, so I'll just add a little bit. Okay, so I think this should be okay. Then you stir it, then you cover it. Mommy. So let's check our soup. Okay, so yeah, let's see if it's growing. I see now it's no longer watery, so it's a bit thickened up. So I see it. For those of you that married white woman and you are Oyibo, you need to show your wives those steps so that she can make your local dish for you. Okay, so at this point we can add our okra. So hot there. soup is looking thick, we'll add a little water, just a little bit. Take a look at our soup. So add a little bit water before and then cover. Okay, so I'll be adding the water now. I'm thinking if I should add a little bit. Okay. No, before it starts. Let's just add a little more. So this side, you can see a big pot on fire. So I'll be making the fufu here. You can see the water is already heating up. We'll have to leave it to boil, then we can do the fufu here. So I won't be doing it on camera. I'll be doing the fufu off camera, but you surely see the outcome, guys. Love you, stay tuned. So guys, let's check the soup. Ta-da! It's boiling. Okay, so stir it. Stir. Okay, so at this point we'll be adding pepper, crayfish and popeye, the black special ingredients for taste and aroma. See them, add it there. Careful, close the door please. We have a lot of mosquitoes here in Nigeria. Careful baby. Just leave it, okay? So guys, you stir it properly. Okay, then we'll cover, allow it to cook again before we proceed. So over here, see the water is boiling already. I can now go ahead and do the fufu. So at this point we'll be adding our last ingredient, which is the pumpkin leaf okra. So just pour it because I've already washed it clean before I sliced it. So that is it. That will be our last ingredient for this soup. Stir properly. Stir it. Wow, the aroma is all over the place already. So just cover. Ta-da! So this is the soup, guys. Our soup is ready. So I'll be serving it in a bit. Okay. See. Our soup is ready. So stay tuned. So guys, the food is ready. Okra soup and fufu. I made this fufu with semovita. Okay, so come and join us. Please come and join us at the tiny table. We love you. Bye bye. So food is ready. Food is ready. Come and eat food. Food is ready. I'm sweating. I just finished cooking, guys. So join us in the dining table. I love you. Thank you for supporting us. See you. Bye bye. I hope you try this recipe. Try this dish. You're gonna love it, okay?